Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Kate here and I'm back with another tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create a Tubi TV account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, if you are on your desktop, open any web browser that you are comfortable with. After that, on the search URL, search for tubitv.com. Once you press and enter, you will be directly directed to the official site of Tubi TV. And after that, in order to register your account, at the top right corner of your screen, you will see a register option along with sign in option. So what you have to do is click on register, and in here you will see you can continue with Google or as well as with Facebook, or else you can also register via your email. So if you want to continue with Google, simply click on continue, or else continue with Facebook. Here I'm going with my email. Provide your first name here, and after that your email, and then your email password, and now in here provide your birthday and then your gender as well. After you're done with that, you have to click on register. Once you click on register, you will be directly logged into your Tubi TV account. You can enjoy watching any kind of movies, and this is how you can create an account for Tubi TV. That's all for today, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you in next video.